Now there are common misconceptions that people say that else is only applicable or applied for if statement. Not at all. It's a wrong misconception. Okay, look at this. So we'll keep it simple. Okay. So just for understanding, I'll just print welcome. Okay. Let me run the code. Let's see whether the welcome is getting printed. P is getting success. So what happened? As we already discussed, as soon as the condition satisfied, the loop got break. Now what happening? Else is not working. Let me remove the break. Let me add else also, so that you people won't get confused. Okay. So function fi. There you see, it got everything, and also at last it prints welcome also. Okay. Let me keep the simple string for your better viewing of the output. There you see everything got printed, and then welcome also prints. So else can also be part of a for loop. Be careful guys. Else can also be a part of for loop. When the else will get printed? If the loop ends naturally without any break statement, then the else will get printed. If the loop gets eliminated, break abruptly, the else will not get printed. That's how, right? I usually write condition. Check for this for loop with this condition. If for loop runs successfully, then go and execute this kind of else statement. So again, if the situation demands you to write such condition, you are open to do, or you are open to write this kind of a statement. Okay, you need to be very careful of. That's how the else works. So be careful when you go for interview. When somebody cross confirms you with respect to this, tell them yes. When yes, when the loop stops naturally. Good.